BTC, has the basic bearish trend slowed, or is it lacking in power? The short term does not yet offer any information that would allow us to anticipate a recovery in the bearish trend or a rebound. Sellers generally have the upper hand, even if a small correction, not tradable, on the resistance located at 25,273.93 USDT remains possible. It is advisable to trade Bitcoin BTC a USDT with the greatest caution, while favoring short positions for sale, as long as the price remains well below 25,273.93 USDT. The next bearish objective for sellers is set at 23,500.15 USDT. A bearish break of this support would revive the bearish momentum. The sellers could then target the support located at 19,644.43 USDT. In case of crossing, the next objective would be the support located at 10,151.30 USDT. PS. If there is a bullish break in the resistance located at 25,273.93 USDT, we suggest that you produce a new automated technical analysis. In fact, conditions should have changed. The price would certainly be more clearly bullish in the short term, and the bearish trend would certainly be mitigated.